In this video, I will show you a few stocks that you can buy and that will bring you passive dividend income, which will be paid out monthly or at the end of the year. At the end of the video, I will show you on which platform you can buy them, and through the video itself, we will go through some interesting financial indicators and news from the financial market. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect weekly videos on passive income methods and making money online strategies. We'll talk about affiliate marketing, dropshipping, drop servicing, CPA marketing, NFTs, cryptocurrencies, forex trading and investing in index funds and shares of companies. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are soon introducing a membership option where you will have the opportunity to get access to our private stock portfolio, but more about it in the upcoming videos. Today, we are talking about stocks that bring high dividends. Before I start, I would like to add that we made a playlist on the channel to make it easier for you when looking for videos on a particular topic. We have divided them into several categories such as stocks, investments, cryptocurrencies, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, drop servicing, and so on. The first in a series of stocks is the Nasdaq 100 Covered Call ETF. Stock ticker, the mark on the stock exchange, is QILD. For those who don't know what an ETF is, I'll leave you a playlist at the end of the video related to stocks, stock market and just investing, so you can better educate yourself and learn more. The current value of this ETF is around $21. Dividend is paid on a monthly basis. The annual dividend amount is $2.61 per share, which means that the dividend percentage is around 11%. The top 5 companies covered by this ETF are Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, and Tesla. Together, they make up around 40% of this ETF. As you can see, these are the companies that are the biggest giants in their tech industry. Why is it good to buy this ETF now? Due to the fact that all these companies have experienced a decline and currently the price of buying this ETF is favorable, plus you have additional earnings thanks to the dividend that this ETF pays. We've talked about several times on this channel so far what is a good offer and opportunity on the stock market, and this is definitely one of them. What is important to emphasize is that this ETF does not only have tech companies on its list, as well as the fact that since 2014 it has never missed a single monthly dividend payment. It's one of the largest and most popular ETFs in the US market. The second in a series of stocks is Orchid Island Capital, stock ticker ORC.US. The current price of one share is around $3.91. Dividend payment is monthly and the amount is around $0.66 per share, which means around 11%. Orchid Island Capital is a specialized financial company that invests in securities protected by leverage-based housing mortgages. The income generated for distribution to shareholders is based primarily on the difference between the return on their mortgage assets and the cost of borrowing. Why is it good opportunity? When we look at the one-year chart, we can see that the highest value of the stock was $6.21. It has now experienced a huge drop due to the increased interest rates because in fact it now costs them more money to borrow money. If we look at the current situation, we can see that the dividend percentage is as high as 16%, which is a really great opportunity to take advantage of, given the all-time low of $3.91 per share. What is important to emphasize is that the company reduced the dividend amount from 0.78 to $0.66 per share, but the same situation happened in 2020 and shortly after the company returned the dividend value per share to its original amount. This can be a great long-term hold given the low value of the stock plus the high dividend rate that company pays. The last stock for today is the stock of Intel. Stock ticker, the symbol on the stock exchange is INTC.US. Intel Corporation is an American multinational corporation and technology company based in Santa Clara, California. I don't think there is a person who uses a computer without hearing about Intel processors. Currently, the Intel company is at its crossroads. They have a new CEO, Pat Gelsinger, who has decided to bring back the old days of glory to the company. Intel is currently building a new $20 billion factory in Arizona. What is also long awaited is just happening. Intel has finally decided to enter the graphics card market and compete with the well-known company Nvidia. The price of one share for Intel is around $49. If we look at the 1 year chart, we will see that all-time high was around $68. Another technology company that experienced a decline in the stock market due to the high rates and decreased inflation. The value of their dividend has been growing steadily over the last few years and it is around 5% increase, and the dividend percentage itself is currently around 3%. Given that the stock market is a high risk market and many people are not risk oriented, plus some people even don't have enough capital to start, broker Freedom24 has provided free stocks for all those who sign up using the first link in the description of this video. You can win a stock worth up to $1,000 and then sell it or keep it or sell it and invest in other stocks. It's up to you. If you already have received this gift, you can share the link with your friends and family members. The only condition is that you are over 25 years old. Also, this broker offers you a 0% transaction fee for the first month and they have an excellent savings account with a 3% annual savings interest rate. As I said at the beginning of the video, I will show you how you can buy these stocks and ETFs mentioned in today's video. When you log in using the link in the description, you will open an account and it will take you about 10 minutes to open an account. You will put the money in your account and after that you will come to the web terminal and in the stock ticker field enter the mark of the stocks we have gone through today's video. You will then open the session and purchase the stocks you have chosen. That would be all for this amazing video. If you want to learn more about stocks and investing, I will leave my playlist here so you can watch all the interesting videos related to this topic. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell and follow me on Instagram. If you have any questions with this or other online business topics, feel free to send me an email or DM on Instagram. This is the beginning of an interesting and exciting adventure. See you in the upcoming videos. Cheers!